Kraslice can be considered a real cradle of musical instrument production in our country, because stringed instruments were first produced here at the beginning of the 17th century. In the 18th century, instrument makers of Kraslice adapted to the boom of orchestral music, and aside from violin making, they engaged in the production of wind instruments. As early as 1840, there was established the first factory manufacturing musical instruments in Kraslice. However, during World War II, many of these family-run shops closed. In September 1945, a government-owned musical instrument manufacturing business was established in Kraslice. And because the production of both wind and stringed instruments was anticipated, the company was given the name of the famous Italian violin maker, Amati. The Amati Denek factory presently produces a wide variety of brass and woodwind instruments in several factories, with headquarters in Kraslice, the Czech Republic. The woodwind line includes saxophones, alto, tenor, soprano, and baritone, clarinets, German and Böhm systems in B-flat, E-flat, and C, as well as bass clarinet, double reeds, oboes, bassoons, and contrabassoons, flutes and piccolos, open and closed hole. Brass product line includes piston and rotary valve instruments, including small brass, trumpets, cornets, and flugelhorns, background brass, alto horns, tenor horns, and French horns, trombones, bass brass, tubas, sousaphones, and helicons. An additional branch factory in Kraslice manufactures instrument cases, cymbals, and orff instruments. In the city of Hradec Králové, the Amati factory continues a long tradition of rotary valve brass instrument making under the V.F.Červený trademark. In this factory, the heritage of V.F.Červený, the world-famous founder of wind instrument making, is cultivated. All Amati and Červený products are crafted from the finest materials with superior workmanship. This level of craftsmanship is key to the manufacturing and is aided by the use of the latest modern technology. Warehouses contain the vast assortment of raw materials and parts necessary for the instrument building process. These components are hand-selected, then staged in pre-assembly shops. They are now ready to enter into production. Only hand-selected supplies of the finest exotic woods, after being properly seasoned and treated, are used in the production of woodwind instruments. Amati Denek responds to the customer needs, with clarinet models made of 100% grenadilla wood, as well as plastic and wood-plastic hybrids. Typical examples of quality and workmanship, clarinet and all woodwind keywork components are fabricated from the highest quality metals on precision CNC machines. Surface finishing is handled by grinding and vibratory mills. The AK trademark guarantees high quality, unsurpassed technical standards, and excellent musical characteristics. The entire process of instrument making is controlled and monitored from material selection through final inspection. A dedicated double reed department is in charge of the production of bassoons and contrabassoons. This department is divided into two groups, student and orchestral. Quality is assured by specialists who have countless years of experience and maintain a high degree of craftsmanship. Alto and tenor saxophones comprise the backbone of Amati production. Together with soprano and baritone saxes, they form an integrated line of these popular instruments. Exacting tolerances of tone holes and keys combined with the skills of our craftsmen guarantee the continued interest in these high-quality instruments. The largest attribute of the Amati company is the ability to produce the widest variety of brass instruments available. This assortment of small, medium and large instruments enables us to fulfill the requirements of any band or orchestra. The complexity of brass instrument manufacture requires specialized machinery for specific operations. For the standard trumpet alone, CNC presses, honing benches, and other proprietary machines are only a fraction of the necessary equipment. After final assembly, engraving of the trademark is the last step before lacquering and completion of the instrument. The painstaking process of instrument making ends with cleaning and careful packing. The entire order of instruments is placed in cartons and the carton is sealed and marked. Then the products are ready for their journey to the customer, who is to enjoy an instrument made with the profound care and expertise of Amati craftsmen.